Good morning, students. Let us start with the next sample paper number 4. Question number 3. My introduction to YMCA pool revived unpleasant memories and stirred childish fears. But in a little while, I gathered confidence. I paddled with my new water wings, watching the other boys and trying to learn by aping them. Aping here means imitating. Name the narrator. Franz, William, Sahib, Mukesh. You are to take the correct answer. Next, what unpleasant memories is the narrator referring to in the given extract? Being hit by waves at California beach, being thrown into YMCA pool, a drowning incident of childhood, a bad dream of drowning. Next, at what age did the author decide to learn swimming? 3 or 4, 10 or 11, on growing up, none of the above. Next question, the word opposite to stir. Disturb, blend, calm or shake. Now you are to find out the opposite word, not the synonym. Now be part of the same question. His dream looms like a mirage amidst the dust of streets that fill his town Firozabad. Whose dreams are being referred to here? Bangle makers, Mukesh's, rag pickers or Sahibs? What is his dream? To study in a school, to play tennis, to drive a car, to become a motor mechanic. Why does his dream look like a mirage? Wanted to follow his heart, was caught in a vicious circle, was a tradition they had to follow, was far away from reality. Next, how can Mukesh realize his dream? By following his heart, by following his family tradition, by getting involved in the bangle making, by studying in a school. C part. To make sure, I walked over Newsboy and climbed at the stack of papers at his feet. It was the world, and the world hasn't been published for years. The lead story said something about President Cleveland. I have found that front page since in the public library files, and it was printed June 11, 1894. Who does I refer to in the given extract? Charlie, Sam, Louisa, author. Next question. What does the news about President Cleveland in the world hint at? Charlie is forgetful. He had the habit of reading newspaper. He wanted to escape from reality. He often imagined about past events. Next question. Why is the year 1894 significant in this lesson? It represents narrator's memory of his grandfather's time. He wants to travel back in time to have an unusual experience. He misses the strong bond people used to share during that time. The year was free of miseries and discontentment. The antonym of glanced is overlook, glimpse, peer, or store. Next question number 4. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hands. Why are Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering? She's tired of knitting for long. She's nervous and afraid of her husband. She's getting old and feeling weak. She's unhappy in her married life. What is the result of the fluttering? Feels the weight of the ring. Feels thankful to uncle for her expensive ring. Find ivory needle hard to pull. finds no happiness in her marriage. What does the expression massive weight of uncle's wedding band suggest? Ring is quite heavy, ring is quite expensive, troubled marriage and oppressed life, tired of wearing the heavy ring. The poetic device used in the line: hyperbole, metaphor, simile, alliteration. Next, B part of the same question. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. No truck with death means no dealing with death. Question. The name of the poem and the poet: A Thing of Beauty, John Keats. An elementary school classroom in a slum, Stephen Spandau. Keeping Quiet, Pablo Neruda. A roadside stand, Robert Frost. Next question. What does the poet mean by inactivity? Not idleness, but moment of relaxation, remaining silent and calm, remaining focused and kind, not idleness, but a moment of reflection. The expression life is what it is about means options: living with love and affection, being active and engaged in work, increasing efficiency in day-to-day activities, to take break from the monotony. The poetic device used in line 4: metaphor, repetition, euphemism or symbol. Now question number 5. Attempt any 8 questions from the given 10. Why did Evans clip his hair short? To escape prison as McLeary. He was feeling hot. To give modern look, to give a young look. The American landlady had once helped Sadao when she nursed him through influenza, she gave him food for a month, she had mended his clothes, she had not taken rent for a month. Question 3. One wonders if he has achieved what many have failed to achieve in their lifetime. He has a roof over his head. These lines were said in reference to the condition of the elderly woman's old husband, Mukesh's father, the Bengal factory owner, Mukesh's elder brother. The first move of Iron Master was to make sure that the guest could have verification done, gain some flesh on his bones, be given some money, or be given some clothes. Which human tendency does the story The Last Lesson highlight? Male chauvinism, procrastination, courage, or cowardice? What was the poet Kamala Das's childhood fear? Flying in a plane, unable to join merry children, separation from her mother, driving in a car. Next question. What is a first day cover? A gift wrapped in a beautiful wrapper, a gift wrapped in a post office envelope, a gift wrapped sold at post offices, a new stamp gets the postmark and date. Now question number 8. His fear of water made him extremely guilty, ruined his fishing trips, was not liked by friends, made him weak. Why did Gandhi start out on the back of an elephant? He set out to meet the Secretary of British Landlords Association. He set out to meet British official commissioner. A peasant had been maltreated in a nearby village. He was summoned by Sir Edward Cate, the Lieutenant Governor. Last question. On sour cream walls, donations suggest schools are well equipped, schools are small but they try to impart education. Schools have a poor and ill-equipped environment. Schools meet the education requirements of the children through donation. Now students, you be ready with this. If I am able to take your class tomorrow, we'll discuss in the online class. And if it knows, I'll post the answers.